Hi guys! Welcome back sa ating Negosyo Talks with Miss Ram every 10 a.m. this February, whole month of February. Guys, now I commit myself na magkaroon ng Negosyo Talks for you so that we'll learn every day. Diba? We'll learn new things daily. No? So, ayan. For today, what we are going to discuss is the 10 benefits of online selling. Ano nga ba ang kagandahan ng online selling? At marami talagang mga businesses ang nag into online selling. Always remember that if your business is not on the internet, then your business is out of the business. Especially ngayon na talaga namang hype na hype ang ating era of online selling. So it is the best time for you to really invest your time, your resources, and effort into online selling. All right. So, for today, what is online selling? Selling is the act or the process of selling goods, products, or services via an internet or an mobile app like Lazada, Shopee, TikTok, and the likes. No, auction site or online classified advertisement, online shop, social media marketing, social networking, social media, or web shop. Anything that is online. So there are benefits of online selling that you might like to invest on. Diba? Sobrang ganda ng online selling, guys. Z-Way Shop started 9 years ago as a simple online selling shop. It grows on with a network of distributors and resellers na gusto nating tulungan na magsimula din ng online business. Ang maganda kasi dyan, guys, passive income. And at the same time, you can do online selling anytime, anywhere, kahit nasaan ka pa, kahit nagve-vacation ka. So make sure you have a market. Siyempre, kailangan, bago ka magsimula ng negosyo, kilala mo muna, alam mo muna kung meron ka ba talagang market. No? Kung meron bang market yung produkto na sisimulan mo. And it is very important then that if you were about to start up a business, it is very important na meron bang um, meron bang problema na sinusolusyonan yung produkto or serbisyo na gusto mo. Hindi lang yan pwede na may pera ako magsimula ako ng business. Actually, you have to think first of a problem that you want to solve. Diba? And of course, kailangan merong market, target audience, yung produkto na sisimulan mo. And of course, use a clicks and mortar strategy if possible. Click and mortar strategy is like the brick and mortar strategy of the traditional marketing or the traditional business. So, ang maganda dito, just one click away, you can definitely add to cart and then process the order, di ba? Seamless way of doing everything online. And of course, you have to integrate the best shopping experience na gusto mong ma-experience ng client mo. The best shopping experience na magbibigay ng value sa iyong negosyo. Diba? And of course, you have to, for the fourth one, you have to plan how you will deal with the content, the pricing, the stock management, the fulfillment support, the support system, the payment, the returns, and support and security, and the likes. Sobrang dami ng kailangan mong asikasuhin if you were about to start up an online business. And of course, you have to develop an easy-to-use product process. Yun nga yung kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, just one click away, dapat naka-add to cart na si client. Diba? Just one click away, dapat pasok na agad yung order ni customer sa atin. And of course, you have to consider localization issues. What are the issues that we have locally? Is something that you have to consider, especially, for example, with the couriers. So, dapat iniintindi rin natin how the riders will ship the order. So, yung mga ganong bagay, kailangan ina-anticipate na natin yung simple things that may cause trouble to the business. And of course, you have to consider customer relationship management and personalization. Of course, your brand is a personal brand na kailangan you have a touch with it. 'Di ba? And of course, your customer relationship, kung paano natin i-manage yung relationship natin with a customer and how we can turn them into a loyal customer. It is very important kasi that you attract your customer, you retain your customer, and make them a loyal customer, no? And of course, guys, you have to make sure that you buy the right software for your product or for your application na gagamitin nyo. For example, you were about to go on with TikTok seller, Shopee seller, or Lazada seller applications. Lahat ng yan kailangan siguradong sigurado tayo na dito natin ipagkakatiwala yung process ng negosyo na sisimulan natin. And of course, you have to make sure that your team is in the right place. And of course, if you don't market, they won't come. Always remember that marketing is everything and everywhere there is marketing. So it is very important na meron kang mga key activities for you to do the marketing online. And for me, guys, the best benefit of an online business is that you can do the business anytime, anywhere. Especially if you're a startup, pwede yan extra side hustle, start ka ng online store mo, di ba? Tinda ka online, pwede kang mag-resell, especially with TikTok Shop. They use affiliate marketing kahit wala kang maraming on-hand item for as long as good ka gumawa ng mga online videos and tutorials, sobrang patok na patok ka. So, ang maganda rito, guys, the best benefit of an online business, it is very friendly sa lahat. No, whether kahit anong ages, guys, sobrang ganda ng online selling. And if I were you, I will really start online business because online business or online selling is really the future. No? So, ayan. So, thank you very much for watching today. I hope I've added some value, some knowledge to you today, guys. By the way, we are now open for rebranding. You can own your brand, own your business, your dream, your brand, your future. Let me help you and guide you from there. You can call us directly at 0905-880-9339. And of course, guys, we have our build your own business, a business orientation for all those who are interested na maging part ni CY Shop Worldwide Company. Every Tuesday and Saturday, maraming public Zoom webinar para sa lahat ng gustong maging part ng CY Shop Worldwide Company. Lagi nyo tatandaan na ang tunay na sikreto ng tagumpay ay pagsisikap at pagpapatuloy sa pagbangon sa bawat pagkakamali mo. Hindi porket nagkamali ka, hindi ka nababangon. Hindi na para sa'yo. Bakit trials and challenges lang yan for you to become strong? Hindi naman lahat ng problema ay binibigay sa'yo para mapatumba ka. Ibinibigay yan sa'yo para mas maging matibay ka. Kaya kailangan pagtibayan mo. Sa pagdinegosyo, hindi lahat ng tao maniniwala agad sa'yo. Ang mahalaga, pagkatiwalaan mo yung sarili mo. Hindi naman lahat ng nagnenegosyo perfect agad ang negosyong nasisimulan nila. Ang kailangan lang, pagkatiwalaan mo yung sarili mo, tibayan mo yung loob mo, at magpatuloy ka kahit na ano yung pagsubok na nandyan. Kaya naniniwala ako na kaya mo to. Kaya mong maging matagumpay na negosyante. With proper guidance, maybe I can help. By the way, I am Dr. Ram Dagdag from CY Shop Worldwide Company. Have a good day and God bless us all. Thank you.